Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome with an update on Avalanche. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by a quite long-term resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and this was the channel's breakout that I was showing you, and you can see that this is the resistance, a quite long-term resistance of $55, and we got stable rejections here, and now the pricing has also found another downtrend and resistance as well. We got rejection here. And now after this rejection, the price and is once again moving down to this next long-term support of $31. That was recently working as support here and resistance here. And for several days or weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that from this low to here, so far the price end of Avalanche has rallied almost 650%. I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Avalanche that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 1st of June 2022. That is a very big harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Avalanche has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade setup, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for CHR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I share this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared within few moments you can watch here on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And if you scroll it down, then here you can watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me to show you the long-term trade signal. Then I will come back to this uh, chart because I want to share the targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garden, where the price can go as per the Fibonacci sequence of this move. This is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal garden pattern that Avalanche has completed on the monthly time frame chart. And I shared this signal almost 2 years ago with my members. And when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving at approximately $26. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the pricing is geared up from this buying zone. And so far, it has pumped almost up to $65.39. By the way, the technical target that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this move starts from $80.13 and goes to $123. And the best entry that I've been telling you for the past almost 2 years was the breakout from this falling wedge pattern because the potential reversal on it was very big from $38 to $9.33. Therefore, I have been telling you, my members that once it will be able to break out this way, then we can expect that this can be a safe entry for this trade setup. And you can see that after the breakout from this Fed, the price has started a very massive pump. And so far, it has rallied almost 650% on this 7 days time frame chart, but got rejected by this resistance of $55 here. And by the way, this $55 has been previously working as support here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And now recently, after the breakout from this down channel, by the way, this breakout is more visible here on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, that the bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and broke it out. But again, got rejected by this resistance of $55 and found another downtrend and resistance. I'm expecting that as soon as price and breaks out this resistance, then it can make another attempt to break out this resistance of $55. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $145 to $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the videos description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.